One of the most powerful things about FHA is you can buy multiple units using FHA and only put 3.5% down. One of the cool things is you can use the rental income from the other units in order to qualify for you to buy a home. So let's say that you were buying a 4-unit property. You can use the income from the other 3 units to qualify you to buy that property. So we can do 1 to 4 units using FHA, and you only have to put down 3.5%. This is a fantastic thing for you to maximize that buying potential when you're buying a property. And not only can you be a homeowner, but you can also be an investor too. Other thing is, rolling out today, we have a down payment assistance program that will let you buy 2 units using the income from one of the properties to help you qualify for the second one. So in that case, you don't even need a down payment. Please reach out to me at 916-799-3256 and I will take great care of you. Talk to you soon. Bye.